never been much of a mathematician, and I don't have a love affair with numbers, but in scrapbooking, they actually can be a really cool element to use on your pages, both as a design element or conceptually. So let me show you a couple of ways that numbers could play a part in your scrapbook designs. I am the oldest of 4 children, and so one of the ways you could look at numbers is look at a set of siblings. And this layout is entitled The 4 of Us. And I actually included pictures from when we were younger and then more recent ones. And then I took each of the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I tried to indicate how many people did or had or were certain things. So in our set of 4 siblings, we actually have 1 each of these singing voices. We also have 2 people that are freckled, 2 are married, 2 are athletes, 2 have English degrees, and so on. And then 3 of us have these things in common. And then all 4 of us are Detroit Tiger fans, through thick and thin, blue-eyed Christians, and we all play brass instruments or have at one point in our life. I also chose to carry out the theme of 4 throughout the design in a number of other ways. You'll notice that I have 4 brads here, so that gives you another way that's subtly reinforcing your theme. I also have 4 different strips of pattern paper here. And so you want to kind of make sure that you think thematically about the whole layout and about the whole impact of your project. And if you carry it through in some of these small little ways, it can really have a little added oomph to the layout or project. Now, it's not that I'm stuck on the number 4. But this layout also deals with 4. I received one of those email forwards a couple of years ago, and it was all about 4 things. And you had to pass it on, and you had to fill out 4 things that states you've lived in, movies you'd watch again and again, jobs you've had, etc. We've all received those kinds of things, but have you ever considered turning it into a layout? Well, it really was an easy thing to do because I had the information at my fingertips. I just kind of set it up where I punched a little circle, put a number 4 in all of it, and then listed my answers to each of those different categories. And then again, I played with the idea of 4s throughout the layout. You notice that the little dingbat that I chose here to repeat in different shapes or sizes and colors also has kind of 4 petals to it. So that was another easy way to do it. And again, with my little 4 brad action. So if you, again, think it through, remember those details, that could be the difference between an okay layout and one that's really got some little hidden secrets.